Let's learn how to say things in order. First. First means the beginning. Next comes after first. Then means what happens after that. After that means later. Finally is the last step. Say it with me. First, next, then, after that, finally.